Hello, good morning, all of you. Students, time flies so fast. We are with the fourth week of our online sessions. Isn't that great? It's an amazing experience for all of us. I would like to thank all my students and parents for appreciating all our efforts. Thank you. Students, today we are going to start with the revision of the first chapter of social science. Students, revision is very important. The more you revise, the more clear picture you get. The more you revise, the chapter stucks here properly, right? So, revision is a must. So, let's get started with the revision of the first chapter of social science. Chapter number 1, Two Big States. Let's start with the revision. Students, we saw that King Harshvardhan was a skillful ruler. He had appointed different ministers for administration of his states. He arranged Buddhist religious meet every year and religious congregations in Prayag every 5 years. Religious congregations, that is religious meets. You can say religious gatherings. Okay? So that was held every 5 years. He himself wrote 3 plays. Which were they? Naganand, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika. He kept on winning for 7 years and raised a great empire in North India. The famous Nalanda University. Nalanda University flourished during Harshvardhan's rule. The extensive library of Nalanda University was also known as Dharmaganj. There were around 10,000 students and 2,000 teachers. The students had to clear an entrance test for admission into Nalanda University. Free education, lodging and boarding were provided in Nalanda University. Is it clear? Scholars of Nalanda University. Who are the great scholars of Nalanda University? Number 1, Aryabhat. Who was Aryabhat? He was the greatest mathematician and astronomer, right? Then second, Nagarjuna, wizard of medical science. And third, Shanti Rakshika, famous Indian philosopher. And I think one more was there. Who's that? I want the answer from you all. Come on. Who's that? Yes, he was the Chinese traveler Huan Sang. Children, Huan Sang's short note is very important. And here I would like to mention that whenever you learn your question answers, please write the answers and learn so that you don't have spelling mistakes. Okay? Right now you can write in your rough book, okay? But please keep the habit of writing and learning. So, Huan Sang, okay, he was a Chinese traveler. He studied Buddhism at Nalanda University for 5 years. He stayed in India for 15 years and visited different places. If you remember, he had also visited Pulkeshi II's kingdom, that was Vatapi, yes. He attended the 6th Buddhist congregation at Prayag. And when he returned to China, he took many books, relics, and statues along with him. Now, moving to the southern part of India, which dynasty was ruling in South India at that time? It was the Chalukya dynasty. And who was the ruler of Chalukya dynasty? Pulkeshi II. And what was the capital of Chalukya dynasty? It was Vatapi. Right? Yes. Pulkeshi II had won many battles and became famous as a valiant king. Valiant means brave. He defeated Harshvardhan at Narmada and stopped Harshvardhan's victorious journey towards South India. He had transformed the capital Vatapi into a city of magnificence and splendor. Magnificence means very attractive and splendor means very impressive, beautiful. Okay, clear? And if you remember, he had constructed the famous caves of Vatapi and Dharapuri. So students, here we end our revision session. I hope the chapter is absolutely clear. Students, with this revision, you will also get the worksheet and its solution. Do solve the worksheet. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Take care. God bless you all.